Today, we'll be taking a look at the Merkury Innovation Smart Wi-Fi LED strip, so stay tuned. The Merkury Innovation Smart LED strip is sold at Walmart for around $20. It is compatible with Google Assistant, Alexa, and Microsoft Cortana, and no hub is required. Let's take a look inside the box. You'll find a spool with LED lights, a voice control guide, and a start guide. Underneath the spool, you'll find the power cable, Wi-Fi controller, and some mounting accessories. Now, let's get it set up. Download the Genie app on your mobile device. Once downloaded, you'll need to register, then select Add Home and choose a name for your home. Once you're on the home screen, select the plus symbol in the upper right-hand corner and select Smart Lighting. Then you'll confirm that the LED lights are now blinking. After you connect the lights to your Wi-Fi network, you'll see the device was added successfully. Now you'll be able to adjust the brightness, color, temperature, set a schedule, as well as select from various scenes. Now I'll show you how to connect it to the Google Home app. Once in your Google Home app, select the icon in the lower right-hand corner. Once there, select More Settings under Google Assistant. Then you'll select the Assistant tab in Home Control. Select the plus sign in the lower right-hand corner and add the Genie app. Next, you'll log into your Genie app. Once connected, you'll select where the light is located. Once you choose the device, you'll select where it's located, and now you'll see it on your Google Home screen. I installed the LED strip on my 46-inch bedroom TV. At 2 meters length, it was just enough to cover the top and both sides of the TV. Overall, I would recommend this LED strip. The lights are bright, easy to set up, and are very responsive. They paired easily to my Google Home app, and voice control worked perfectly. I did want to mention that even though I cleaned the back of my TV before mounting the LED strip, that it did start to peel after a few days. I'd say 90% of the strip stayed, but it wasn't a huge deal for me as I can easily fix it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Also, please subscribe to my channel and join the notification squad so you always know when videos are uploaded to my channel. Thanks again for watching.